Hello, welcome to this introduction for first-time users of the Productive Game Prototype version 1.0.6. In the Productive Game Prototype, you earn build points by completing real-world tasks, which you can then use to build the levels in the game world. If you're using Android, your screen will be a little different. You won't have the task screen or the exit game buttons, and you will of course tap instead of clicking. You will first be presented with the game screen. From here you can add to-dos on the left. You can either add blank to-dos by pressing the Add To-Do button with nothing in it, or you can type in the to-dos like you would do with a traditional to-do list. To-dos should be things you would like to do in your real life, such as taking out the trash. One of the first things I'm going to do is change my multiplier. The multiplier changes the number of build points you receive on each completed to-do. A level generally takes between 14 and 20 build points to complete. In this case, I'm changing my multiplier to the max of 9 in order to more quickly demonstrate the game. I'm going to complete those two to-dos, which gives me 18 build points, and I can now use those to build the level by clicking the Build Game button. Now that the level is complete, I can then play the game. Clicking the Sound button will determine whether the sound plays, but only while the game is active. Clicking the Sound checkbox does nothing. The Pause button will pause the game while the game is active. If you're using a computer, you can use the arrow keys to move. If you're using Android, you can swipe to move. The goal of the game is to keep from starving. You will use 1 food point for each move. Later there will be zombie enemies that will take away either 10 or 20 food points when they attack. Soda will add 20 food points and berries will add 10 food points. Once the player reaches the exit, the whole process starts over again. Pressing the Instructions button will show instructions for the game. The Reset button will reset the game to the first level. Your build points will be unaffected. New in version 1.0.6 is the task screen. To reach the task screen in Android, simply rotate your Android device clockwise. On PC, press the task screen button. In the task screen, the right side menu has been replaced with a settings button, and the Add To Do button has been replaced with a send button. In the task screen, all to-dos have an edit button. Selecting the edit button will show you the edit panel where you can change the title of your to-do, cancel the edit, change your to-do to a repeating to-do, or delete the to-do. Return to the game screen by rotating your phone counterclockwise on Android or by clicking the game screen button in the upper left on PC. The exit game button quits the productive game on PC, or hitting the back button on your Android device should do the same thing. Thank you for watching this demonstration, and I hope you find the Productive Game Prototype useful. You can see more updates on productivegaming.com or follow me on Twitter @StuartJMartin.